I want PSG. Guys, I want PSG. I want PSG. I am angry. I am pissed off the way PSG is doing to teams this season. And in this FIFA club tournament, Chelsea, I want PSG. I am watching PSG Atlantic. Come and see how PSG is dominating the game. As a Chelsea fan, I am mad. I hate it when a small team like PSG is disturbing people. So Chelsea in this FIFA club tournament, I want to go and face PSG. I want 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 PSG. Chelsea, I want PSG in this club tournament. PSG, Mendes, NATO is coming. Prepare. NATO is coming. Cucurella is coming. Marquinhos, Nicola Jackson, and Liam Delap, they are coming. They are coming. Guys, the FIFA club tournament started. I'm telling you. Chelsea, we are playing on Monday. And Chelsea, we are going to play against LAFC at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I can't wait. I can't wait. Guys, let's do our prediction. Let's look at Chelsea group. Yes. And the other groups to see where can Chelsea finish or end in this tournament, because I keep on saying it. Chelsea play in any tournament. We are playing to win it. We are not playing to participate. And any team be in this tournament, that means that team is big. And any team who is not in this tournament, that means that you are not big. Where is Arsenal? Guys, is Arsenal a football club? Where is Manchester United? Why are they not in this tournament? That means they are small, eh? Okay, let's go. And even Liverpool, Liverpool is not there. Small clubs. So, guys, this is the table. Yes, let's look at Chelsea. We are in Group B, eh? Or Group D. Chelsea, we are in Group D, eh? Okay. The Group A, I think some games already play. Group A, yes, and Bayern Munich also play. I think Bayern Munich, they beat them 10-0, eh? Hey! Is Bayern Munich back, or they just get a small team? Try to see or try to use them for their goal scoring abilities, because the Bayern Munich we used to know that is how they normally score their goals, beat small teams. Yes. So guys, let's look at the group stages, our prediction, who will qualify, and then we'll come and end with Chelsea, the Group D, and do some analysis or discussion about it. But the way I still maintain that in this tournament, I want Chelsea to face PSG. I don't want Madrid, I'll finish him. I don't want Man City. I don't want any team that, even all the big teams, Bayern Munich, we in the Inter Milan, I don't want them. I don't want Juventus. I want PSG. I want PSG. Guys, let's start with Group A. Group A, Palmeiras, Porto, Al Ahly, Inter Miami. So Inter Miami and Al Ahly already play. In fact, that game I watched it. It came here around midnight, 12 o'clock, Ghanaian time. I refuse to sleep. And Al Ahly goalkeeper, what a wow. He saved them for the day. He was doing all kind of save, guys. I can't believe this. I can't see this. And it's like Chelsea want to sign a goalkeeper. Then we should go and see Al Ahly goalkeeper. He was doing save to some extent. He was using his head, doing saves. His head doing saves. I can't believe this. I never see this. Chelsea should go and sign Al Ahly goalkeeper. In fact, even Inter Miami goalkeeper also performed well. Yes, he also saved them on some occasions. So Al Ahly, Inter Miami, they already played. They drew. Palmeiras and Porto, they are about to play recently. So let me say Porto will qualify, and I want Al Ahly to qualify. African team, yes, I'm supporting them. I wanted them to even beat Inter Miami, but because of Messi, yes, they saved the day. Or the day was safe. Yes. So my top two from Group A, Porto and Al Ahly, I will choose. Yes. By the way, let me hear from you guys. And Group B, PSG, Atlético Madrid, Botafogo, Settlers, Sounders. Hey, this competition will get to know teams. So Botafogo is from Brazil. Yes. Settlers, Sounders is from USA. Wow. So this group, as Atlético Madrid and PSG will qualify, but I still maintain that for me as a Chelsea fan, I want PSG. PSG, as we are shooting this video, they beat Atlético Madrid 2-0. So I think the game hasn't ended as we are shooting this video. So PSG and Atlético Madrid will qualify. Yes, that is my prediction from what? Group B and Group C, Bayern Munich, Auckland, Boca Juniors, and Benfica. Group C, Bayern Munich will qualify. They already beat who? I think Auckland 10-0. Wow. So I think Bayern Munich and Benfica will qualify. But Boca Juniors, they are also a good team, Argentina team. And Auckland is from New Zealand. And Benfica from Portugal. Yes. And Group D, Flamengo from Brazil. Yes, our group. And Chelsea from England, Esperance from Tunis, and LAFC from United States. So Los Angeles FC. So Chelsea is going to play against Los Angeles FC on Monday at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Yes, Mercedes-Benz Stadium. It's a canny, man. That is a canny. Okay. So our group D, first Chelsea will top the group. Yes, not because I'm Chelsea fan. We are beating them. And maybe Flamengo or LAFC will also come second. Yes, but I will choose LAFC. I will choose them. Yes, Chelsea and LAFC to qualify from Group D. And Group F is Fluminense from Brazil, Dortmund, Ulsan, and Mamelus. Wow. So Dortmund will qualify. I don't know any of this club. I won't lie. Okay, let me see. South Africa. Okay, I will choose Mamelus. I want African teams to do well in this competition because some of these European teams are overrated. Some African teams can easily beat them, but because they are from Europe, football is very powerful in Europe, so we consider all European teams to be good. No. Not all European teams are good. Yes. Some African teams are better than some European teams, 100 miles. But because, as I said, they are from Europe. Yes. So, and Group G, Manchester City, Wydad, Alan, and Juventus. Forget, City and Juventus will qualify. But I would like to watch that game, City versus Juventus. And Group H, Real Madrid, Al Hilal, Pachuca, and Salzburgo, Austria, Pachuca from Mexico, Al Hilal from Saudi, yes, Arabia, and España, yes, Real Madrid. So this group, Real Madrid will qualify, and maybe Al Hilal, yes, Al Hilal. They also prepare well for this competition. They wanted to sign Osimhen, but it didn't happen. So guys, this is my prediction for our group stages. Yes. So let's come and talk about Chelsea particularly. For Chelsea in Group D will qualify. Maybe Chelsea plus LAFC will qualify. But Chelsea going far in this competition, it will help Chelsea a lot. Yes. And so Maresca will use this competition to give chance to players who just joined us this summer. Yes. For next season, the likes of Santos, the likes of Esugo, and Liam Delap. So this tournament will help us a lot. And also it looked like Champions League tournament. Yes. So Chelsea performing well, it will help us to see where we can improve. Yes. Preparing for next season in the Premier League and in the UEFA Champions League. So this is one of the reasons why I like this tournament. And the second reason why I like this tournament, or it can help Chelsea, the money. I think when you win one game in the group stage, you are earning 2 million. Yes, 2 million. And if your team draw, they are earning 1 million. And even when you lose, you still make money. So Chelsea going to this competition will make money. And making money means it will balance our books, the PSR room. We can go into the market and sign more players. Yes, our owners, yes, they can balance the book well. It won't take them for them to go and sell car park and sell the women team to what? No. When we make money, even this money, apart from, maybe let me say, when we come to prize money, tournament football, apart from Champions League, I don't think anything like you get that prize money from such a competition more than this Club World Cup. And this Club World Cup, it is going to be playing every 4 years. So it's good Chelsea will go far in this tournament. Yes, at least, even if we are not going to win it, but at least semi-final. Yes, even if we are not going to reach the final and win it, because Chelsea we don't play final, we win finals. So if Chelsea reach the final, that means we must win it. And PSG is there, as I said. I want them. Real Madrid, Juventus, all the big guns, almost the big guns. Bayern Munich, Inter Milan, they are there. Yes. So during the group stage, the game will just be like that. The way Bayern Munich beat their group mates. I think 10-0. So the group stage will not be attractive because there will not be that competition we want to see as fans. But you see from knockout stage, yes, round of 16, quarter-final to semi-final, that is where this competition will get interesting. There, the European teams and the big guns, they will meet. Yes, there I want Chelsea to meet PSG so that we can show the world that Chelsea is the only team. Because see, they beat all our neighbors, our Premier League neighbors. Last season, they beat Liverpool, they beat City, they beat Aston Villa, they beat Arsenal. Before they went to the final and won it, beat Inter Milan 5-0. I don't think it ever happened. Champions League final, someone scored on 5 goals. It never happened. Clean sheet in Champions League final. Wow. So I want Chelsea to meet PSG. I want to see something. Yes, I want to do some experiment. Because see, if we get things easier in this competition, I'm telling you, our owners will then get the clue and see we are good to go. Meanwhile, we are not good to go. You see our defense, we still need more depth, squad depth there, more players there. And you see our attack, even the striking position and the wings, we still need more players there. So even if Chelsea get it so easy in this competition, I want Chelsea to win. But it shouldn't be so easy. These are owners who all know that they know nothing about football. Yes, because we were lacking that striking option. That is why they did that quick and went and signed Dilap. Yes, for them, they are learning from their mistakes or they are learning from what they see. So they must see something and learn in this competition. But if Chelsea we get it easy, everything work well for us, Charlie, even the second striker, they will not go and bring him. They will not, even the wingers, they may even go and bring one winger, and that is all. And we need at least 2 or 3 wingers. Yes, adding to this our current wing, because George is a young guy. We can't put that heavy duty on him, that heavy pressure on him. So at least I'm predicting that Chelsea should reach the semi-final. Yes, even if Chelsea win, because it will be difficult. Because when you look at other clubs there, to be fair, they are prepared more than us. Look at City. All the players that City sign, they make sure that they register them. So this competition, people mean it. Teams prepare well. Except Chelsea, when the transfer window open for us, 1st June to 10th June, we only sign one player. All the remaining days was PR and noise. So let's hope Chelsea will do well, because at the end of the day, even if we reach the semi-final, we are going to make good man. So guys, for me, that is my prediction. This competition, Chelsea will go far. I want Chelsea to reach semi-final. That is my prediction. Yes. So let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this Club World Cup. Yes. Where do you think Chelsea, or do you think Chelsea will not even go out from the group stage, or where do you think Chelsea will end in this club tournament? Take care. Peace.